I use Windex and go after the residue it leaves with melamine foam, but do not do that if your screen has anti-glare coating on it. This is just a consumer television, so there's none of that. And who cares anyway, because I don't care about that. Wipe right off. Water stains. Melamine foam will get that off too. Magic Eraser, the generic version. Alright, here we go. Just kidding. Uh-oh. Whatever that was worked itself out. Guess this is just a flickery DVD player. It's even flickering on the Sharp TV that used to be here. See a bit of a dark spot on the left. Right there. It's going to use the front buttons, but we have a remote now I did a really boring video on. Oh, the battery's dead now? Stop. Stop. Come on, stop. Whatever. Battery's dying just sitting around. Really losing my faith in these. Yeah, that's a good picture. Switch to the camera. So there's the TV. Goodbye, don't need it. We have the good tube out of it. Don't feel good because it's in a set that works. Enjoy it this time. I won't be giving it away. I'm sure I got it for free, but I put a crap ton of work in it. One day, it's one of those that reached 1 million miles. It's like a taxi or something in another country. I mean, duh, I don't have to say that because it sold as the contour here, basically. Rear end looked a bit different. This game flickers. You see that when the car stopped rotating? Good old Grindelwald. My Dodge Avenger, that straight, and it goes to that turn rapidly, close to the starting line. It just went boom and not rear-ended them. They got stuck, and I saved that replay. Long time ago. See that blue mark on the side? I'll have to scoot over the horizontal positioning. I remember that being a problem last time. That's why you don't, I mean, this reminds me of this, that's why you don't reset the service menu in a newer set, because it'll be all out of whack. It's not a one-size-fits-all, but I can see the scan lines on here. They weren't that prominent on these tubes. I guess the high-hour ones aren't. It focused pretty well, though, but this one's so much better. That's why I swapped the tube. And people don't understand why you waste so much time on a composite at best set. Yeah, you can S-video mod it, you can RGB mod it, but there's no guides, because $90, oh, American garbage, when they're actually not that bad. They're actually made by Philips. Wheels are too big. The appearance of them. Yeah, this looks really good. New life. I couldn't just let this tube go. I had to swap it in. I felt like doing it. Then I did it today. This video will be out later. The scan lines are visible now. I just can't say that enough. August 20th, 107 with wind. Be cool to pick up that Saniel set tomorrow. Anyway, getting off topic. I need to buy a wheel. Make driving games so much better. It's easy to drift in this car. Even when you're not trying, you're just doing a hard corner. My grandmother had a car like this kind of. It was a Mystique GS from '97. Never seen that actual variation of that car ever. Dad was kind of cleaning up to sell it to some people by the church across town. The Spanish guy bought it. never seen a car like that big. You can see the ones that look like a contour. These ones are, the one she had was different. Let's see if I can find some pictures of a random one online. I remember linking to a picture of one of my old videos. I'll have to dig that out. Might be Gran Turismo. I don't think so. I don't know what else it could be. Yeah, you can see the scan lines. How many times I got a shot every time I see you can see the scan lines. After this, I will cut the video and move the power cable away from the cables because I saw some noise. I'm not seeing the interference I saw when I played this on the Sony Trinitron with the OEM cable. How weird. Still doing good on the battery, got 50%. So that's good. See, the horizontal positioning is not right, so we gotta change it because, you know, like I said with the service menu, it's not a one-size-fits-all thing. They are calibrated at the factory. Not perfect. I wonder how long they would take to calibrate. Use convergence strips on a consumer set. Like that Dura brand had a lot of strips on it. And they got kind of messy and epoxy, but that's a Dura brand was Walmart brand. I'm sure that set had S-Video, but it had Orion's stupid jumbo chip, the digital one where you can't RGB monitor, but it's got S-Video and best. That was a consumer TV, but it's got a Panasonic monitor. Yeah, that's right. Monitor grade 2, M2. It was great. The linearity was awful. Here's a picture. Yeah, if it had better geometry, the speakers weren't tinny garbage. They'd get 10 out of 10 from me. So this pops way more. I don't think I get in trouble for showing. Oh, Retrochad vibes. If you know, you know. Vis-a-vis the toilet. Hell yeah. Like in that Retrochad video.
Concerned about the lack of progress vis-a-vis the toilet.
You know what? I can't hear you. Say it again.
The toilet, the thing I don't have.
The DTV unit. Let me turn the volume up a little bit.
I'm a bit concerned about the lack of progress vis-a-vis the toilet.
You know what? I can't hear you. Say it again.
The toilet, the thing.
Let's start with channel 2.
Hold on 1 sec.
Channel 2 is the first channel.
Hold on 1 sec.
Well, the set sounds just like the RCA, so I should quit bashing that RCA for having awful audio. We upgraded the speakers in this set. Oh, it fails the cozy test. Perfectly on screen because they put it so close towards the middle. What's on channel 3? Oh, this is channel 3. Whoa! DTV is way too quiet. That box. Off topic. So the converter box I used with the Toshiba, I leveled it out with the... I turned the computer audio up to match the converter box audio. And on here it's different because this box sucks in terms of audio. Oh, she's dead now, just like the Sharp TV. She's in the thumbnail. It became a coincidence, but at first it wasn't. So yeah, I missed that set. It sounded freaking awesome. Yeah, there it is again. You can really see it on that scene. I don't know what it is. It's the smearing. That looks familiar. Anyway, we're gonna see Max Weinberg, the drummer. He looks like Dave. Watch. Look at his face. He looks just like him. Guy looks like Dylan McCool, except his nose. He looks kind of like him. Haven't seen his videos in a long time. Bad motherfucker. Wonder what the YouTube automatic titles are gonna say. He's a bad motherfucker. Bad motherfucker. Bad motherfucker. Really sharp corners. His tube wasn't used a whole lot in the set that it was in. Anyway. Yes, it fits screens. If you see that in my videos, say, oh, why does it fit the screen perfectly? Well, it doesn't always. The show was originally 4:3, so it makes sense. Damn, it's a bright tube. The AGC in the camera is cranking up the brightness.
We don't have time for games. Where were you Thursday night? Tell us what you did.
I'm right here. It's Thursday night.
As real as it gets.
Bobby Turner on steel guitar, rip. Died before I got the set or right before it.